In the heart of Manzini, Eswatini's bustling commercial city, stands the Relay Fitkin Memorial Hospital, a lifeline for thousands of eMaswati. With over 300 inpatients at a time and 800 clients daily, this facility is at the core of the nation's healthcare system. Since its establishment in 1927, RFM has relied on conventional energy sources such as a coal-powered boiler for laundry and a national electricity grid prone to outages. Diesel generators serve as a costly backup, but challenges persist. To deliver efficient and sustainable healthcare, change was necessary.
The Kingdom of Eswatini is collaborating with the Italian Republic on 2 projects as we speak, one of which is the greening of the RFM, and there is another component called strengthening the early warning systems, which is being implemented under the Department of Meteorology, and they were the chosen 2 out of many from our previous discussions. Having said that, I would start by tracing back the activities that were happening in the times. You will recall that Eswatini had, way back in 2017, developed the country's NDC, and of course it was submitted to Secretariat to the UNFCCC. And that document was the genesis where all these collaborations was born.
Recognizing the urgent need for sustainable solutions, the governments of Eswatini and Italy, in partnership with UNDP, launched the Greening of the RFM Hospital project, a $2.17 million 1 megawatt solar plant that is revolutionizing healthcare operations.
So why did Italy decide to support this project in Eswatini? Because Italy realizes that climate change is a common threat that can be addressed only jointly by working together to reach a greener, safer future. To put it differently, we need to join forces to safeguard what belongs to all of us, regardless of the distance that separates us.
This project, apart from reducing emissions, wherein we are contributing globally, it also has impacts for sustainable development in the country. This includes, for us, as we are talking about health for all, we are making health affordable, because if we venture into renewable energy and energy efficiency, it means we reduce the cost of rendering the health services in the country. And secondly, for us, it serves us as a pilot project, because we want to see if we can roll out renewable energy and energy efficiency, first of all, across different sectors within the public sector, and also set an example for the non-state actors to say this is something that is doable, this is something that is effective, this is something that is efficient, it has benefits, economic benefits, you can save while doing what you need to do.
Beyond the hospital, this project is creating business opportunities, driving innovation, and opening doors for entrepreneurs in Eswatini's energy sector.
In terms of cost saving, since we started using the solar, I think we know that energy is quite expensive in the country. Since we, for example, us as a hospital, we are using, I think per month, the bill is around 400,000 in Malangan. But since we started using the solar so consistently, we are sort of saving around 50% of that, which is a huge saving as far as just power is concerned. And we're using those savings we're directing those funds that we were otherwise using for power for patient care now. So we have more revenue to use to buy patient supplies, drugs, etc., and some machinery that we need as a hospital. So that was a major boost.
Eswatini continues to experience extreme weather events that threaten lives and livelihoods. In response, the governments of Eswatini and Italy expanded their partnership to strengthen the country's early warning systems. With 10 automatic solar-powered weather stations and 8 hydrometric stations, Eswatini can now anticipate and respond to climate disasters more effectively.
The early warning systems project is important in the sense that we are at a time of climate change and we needed to bridge the reporting of information. So this project is a joint project between the Department of Water Affairs as well as Department of Meteorology, in the essence of collecting weather information as well as river information, and then from that information able to disseminate some alerts, warnings to the general public at large.
As Eswatini moves towards a more resilient and sustainable future, partnerships between development organizations, governments and the private sector remain crucial in scaling such initiatives.
Partnerships is key to anything we do, and there's even a sustainable development goal related to partnerships. In my view, the role of external financing, in this case, we're really grateful for the valuable support provided by the Government of Italy. And this project is being implemented through UNDP, but with close partnership with local stakeholders and ministries, in particular the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Tourism and Environmental Affairs, and the Ministry of Natural Resources and Energy, plus the administration of the hospital. All actors need to come together to get a project going, and the role of external finance, in this case coming from the Government of Italy, is to really provide resources to demonstrate the proof of concept of something that is new in a country, and transitioning towards more renewable energy and then the low emissions economy is one of those areas that requires demonstration and pilot projects. So our hope is that this project, which is now working in one public infrastructure, will serve as inspiration and pave the way for broader application both within the public sector but also, very importantly, in the private sectors.
The conclusion of this project is a proof that we can work together to reach these goals. We have reached one important goal, so I here would like to declare my immense satisfaction and congratulate everybody involved, everybody concerned that worked on this important project. Thank you very much.
With renewable energy powering essential healthcare services, improved early warning systems, and new opportunities for economic growth, Eswatini is taking bold steps towards a sustainable future. To the Italian government and its people, we say, Siyabonga kakhulu.